Verifying your identity on Kraken without a social security number is possible through alternative methods. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create a Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and sign up for an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Make sure to verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Navigate to verification. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Choose the appropriate verification level. Select the verification level that suits your trading needs. For most users, the intermediate level is sufficient, which allows for higher limits and requires more documentation. Step 4. Provide alternative identification. Since you do not have a social security number, you can use alternative forms of identification. This may include a government-issued ID, passport, or driver's license, along with proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Step 5. Submit your documents. Upload the required documents through the Kraken platform. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible. After submission, wait for Kraken to review and approve your identity verification. Once your identity is verified, you can start trading on Kraken. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kraken support for assistance.